Hey everybody, how's it going? And welcome to the channel. Sorry, my dog just hacked up a lung over there. Franklin, what are you doing? Playing and laying in the snow. It's like his favorite thing in the world. As you can see, it is freaking cold here. I think it's like 12 degrees out. Not a lot of snow, but definitely a little bit, enough to cause some problems. So we're going to get the plow out and plow some of this out of the way, and just kind of do a quick garage update and a channel update for you. That's what this video is about, is just an update, really. We are going to, well, I guess we have changed the name of the channel. The new channel name is Goody's Garage, and the reason for that name is just because everybody, man, honestly since like 6th, 7th grade has called me Goody, just with my last name, so it's really stuck with me my whole life. My teachers, my parents, I shouldn't say my parents, my friends' parents, like, everybody called me Goody. It just kind of stuck with me, and it's not a bad nickname by any means. So, and the garage, of course, because it is an automotive-related channel, and I was really wanting to make sure the name of the channel was somewhat automotive-related. It helped me a lot when I search for YouTubers and videos to watch for the channel name. You see a good channel name, and you kind of know what you're getting into right away. So I'm hoping that will help bring a new audience. Maybe a larger audience, of course. It'd be great to build this channel some more. For those of you that have been subscribed, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I would greatly appreciate it. So, garage update. We have the Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit. This is my fiance's vehicle, and it is rocking the new Nitto TerraGrappler G2s. That was my last video. As you can see, it is filthy, and well, it's been ripping the snow. We took up the mountain yesterday, had no problems whatsoever, so huge fan of these TerraGrappler G2s. I'm hoping to do a video in the snow with it to kind of get a review, just trying to figure out the best way to do it and actually show you something, not just me driving in circles. I want to do that with the truck as well. The truck has the KO2s on it. It does great in the snow, so I'm hoping next big snowstorm I can get outside and maybe send it up the mountain and do some fun driving around on some off-road areas up there in the snow. So I guess we can go to the truck. The truck is staying. There was a long period of time, honestly, for like the last 9-10 months, I've really been wanting to get a new truck. I wanted a diesel, mainly for cold starts for the channel, you know, just when it's cold like this, 12 degrees, we should actually start this thing. Let's do that right now. It hasn't been started in like 3 days, and it is cold. I think I have keys on me. But yeah, I mainly wanted a diesel so we could do cool cold starts and get some great video there. Unfortunately, with the gasser, you know, you don't really get any cool cold starts. Let's see what it's like. Let's see here. Yeah, we know ice. Oh yeah. 7 degrees is the trans fluid. Ooh! It was a little angry there. A little angry. Let's let this thing warm up. Like I said, it's been a few days since it started. Man, can't you just hear that great exhaust? Listen to that. Sarcasm, of course. Yeah, I wanted a diesel mainly for the great startups you get in the winter to put on your channel. I mean, those videos always get thousands of views. So, but anyways, that truck is staying. It's paid off. It's a great truck. It has 50,000 miles on it, and mind you, those are easy miles. I mean, I never hot rod that truck. It's always probably 3,000 RPMs or less. I mean, I just poke around, go to the office, do what I got to do on my personal day. You know, my personal routines with that truck. It really is just great for what I do, and there's no point to spend a bunch of money on a truck that is essentially going to get me A to B in the same fashion. That's a great truck. So we're going to keep it for now. Not saying that's not going to change. I am always looking for something different, and it's just, I love that truck. It really has done me well, and no issues right now as of yet. If issues do start to occur as it gets older, I may start looking at getting something new, you know, in the future. So it is cold. I can hear. Not too happy right now. But the next thing in the garage is the four-wheeler. This thing is awesome. I literally just use it for plowing. I think it has 300 miles on it. Let's see. Yeah, 309 miles. So it's not going anywhere. There's no point to get a new one. It's in great shape. It doesn't get used a whole lot. And it'll be here for a bit. Now, the thing that could change is the Camaro. I've said this maybe once in the past a while ago. I was thinking about getting a new car. And I never wanted to get rid of this car because it is a unique car. It looks really good. It performs great. It's like my first sports car. It means a lot to me. However, I'm not made of money, and I want a new car. There is something I'm keeping my eye on that I think everybody would enjoy quite a bit. It's another unique car, very high horsepower. And I'm not saying it's going to happen by any means right away, but I'm highly, highly considering it. If I can find the right buyer for this car for the right price, I will sell it. I hate to say that, it pains me, but maybe it's time for the next step, and I think it potentially could be a good thing for everybody. So possibly going to be for sale here in the coming months when it gets warmer and I can get it out and people can actually look at it. For those of you new to the channel, this is my Camaro 1LE. It is turbocharged aftermarket. It's the V8. It's 2013 body style with the full ground effects kit, tire letters, everything. There is some videos on the channel. Go take a peek at it. Tell me what you think. But it could be going eventually, as much as it pains me to say that. So that is a garage update for you. Like I said, we are going to get out and plow some snow. So going to leave you with that, just messing around with the four-wheeler. But I greatly appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, the new channel name, very excited about it. I hope you guys are as well. And wouldn't mind throwing me a subscribe real quick. That would be awesome. I hope you guys have a phenomenal day. Take it easy. We'll see you later.